Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can get clear mode on TikTok. This new feature gets rid of all the buttons on the TikTok videos, so you just have the video playing full screen. Now first of all, go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, then just search for TikTok. If you see that you have an update available, go ahead and update your TikTok app to the latest version. Then go ahead and launch up TikTok, and then you want to go from the home screen, and all you need to do to enable it, as you can see, I have all the buttons on the TikTok videos. Now to get rid of all that, just simply long press onto the video with your finger. Then you'll see the option right here that says clear mode. So if I tap on that, you can see now all the buttons and everything has disappeared. It's just the full screen video. So that is what the feature looks like. Now if you want to get rid of the clear mode, just long press on the video again, and then you'll see that it says exit right over there. Tap on exit and the buttons will reappear, and that's the new feature. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.